I don't know if pumpkins that big are edible. Alright, so today it is more fall composting. I went and stole a bunch of leaves. And we got some good greens. We're gonna chop this bad boy up and we're gonna mix the browns in and get everything going. This is a lady won it. She said it's 142 pounds. Massive. What do you think? Think we should make pumpkin pie out of it instead? How many pies would that make? 100. Okay. I don't know, what do you think?
I don't know.
So guess what has happened, guys? We had a 140-pound pumpkin that we were gonna chop up and compost, but somebody came and stole it.
We think teenagers.
You think teenagers? What do you think they did with it?
Brought over bricks or something. Smashed it.
Probably teenagers. Also, we got leaves. Lots of leaves. I've been going around stealing leaves. So we'll be stacking leaves. What else are we gonna do today?
Smash pumpkin.
Yeah, we're forming our new band. We were gonna name it the Choppin' Pumpkins, but it doesn't have the same ring to it.
Back for the pumpkin.
I guess so. Now nice and easy. What's wrong?
This pumpkin's so raw that I just touched it and it does ugh. I saw a crack in it.
Ugh.
It was mushy or not. I'm puny. This is more effective.
You got it? There you go.
I'm gonna do a small one.
Yeah, start with them smaller ones. He's a good hugger.
Dad, the whole bottom of this pumpkin's rotted.
Well, good. It's time. Ooh, it's time to compost it.
I don't think I could that.
I'll pick it. I'll pick it up for you. The little guy.
Who's that piggy and that?
What do you think of that? All right. You ready to start smashing them? You want to do it? How's that working?
Not good.
Not good. Oh, you got one. Be careful. I don't know if I should trust you. I don't know if I should trust you with a machete. After that move. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. That one's a whack. Now be careful. There you go. So the idea is we're going to chop them up as small as we can. That'll let the moisture out of them and all that good stuff. And so when we mix them with the leaves, they'll start breaking down really fast. Those are sugar pie pumpkins right there. Okay. You having fun?
Yeah.
Is it satisfying?
Yeah. Why don't we just carve pumpkins like this?
Just machete carve them?
This is more easy.
Don't cut your crock off.
What?
Your crock.
I didn't yet.
Well, good. I'll have a lot of explaining to do if you do. Alright guys, so we got our first layer here. Jabe has helped quite a bit, so it's too easy. We gotta moisten this layer. If we can. There we go. Not that it really needs it, but we're just gonna jump start it. Because there's a ton of moisture in these pumpkins. There's also some old nasty bird seed. What else is in there? But anyway, all the seeds, all the gourd seeds, the pumpkin seeds, we got to get them hot enough, and it's got to start that process. So probably 140 degrees, 160 degrees, somewhere in between there a couple of times to make sure we kill those seeds and we kill those morning glory seeds. Oh no, I already opened it for you. So we got our greens going. Yeah, that's it. Now we need to get some browns going. Layer it up. Here, starting. You can come too. Let me see here. There we go. Nailed right.
There's compost.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, bud.
Nah.
What do you think, Supervisor? Yeah, I'll tell him. He says you're not doing it to the standard. So I think we may be, no, we're not done with our winter composting. We still got all these leaves to pile up, and then we're going to probably go get some manures and add in this thing once it collapses. But the what do you call this? The big kahuna, the grand finale.
I wish we got to cut the giant pumpkin, but someone stole it.
Someone stole it, teenagers. So, liking. Yeah. So, thanks for staying with us, and you know, give us a sub, give us a little like. All right, get it, get the big chopping going.
To the ground. Can I?
Nope.
I can't get it out.
Is that payback for being too heavy to lift?